Hey everyone, it's Alison from nicheblogsuccess.com here, and today in our 5-minute tech we're going to be talking about how to install WordPress plugins. Now there are lots more of these trainings coming up in our 5-minute series. We have tech, we have marketing, and we have mindset. So if you'd like to find out more, then do hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell. That way you'll hear when a new video goes live. So these are short, so let's get started. Okay, so there are actually two ways to add plugins to your WordPress dashboard. Now, just to be clear, this is wordpress.org, so a self-hosted domain. It is not a site built on the wordpress.com platform. So you're here now. I'm here in my Niche Blog Success dashboard. You're going to log into your dashboard, and then you are going to go to your plugins section. So you click on there, and the first way I'm going to show you is most plugins you will find in the actual directory. So those are the free plugins. So first of all, click here, plugins, add new. Now the free ones, I'll show you in a second how to find and upload those. But first of all, we're going to look at files that maybe you've purchased. It could be premium plugins, something like that. When you purchase one, they will give you a download, and that will be a zip file, and you need to upload it as a zip file. So I'm going to click upload plugin. We just choose the file. I've saved it here to my desktop. It's the social warfare one. So it is actually a zip file. Never unpack the zip file before you upload it. It needs just to be uploaded in its full zip format. So you click install now. And then you will activate the plugin. And then obviously you can, down here, you can, once you've activated it, it will put something on the left hand side where you can change the settings. Sometimes it appears here in this black menu bar. Occasionally it will be added to your settings section. Some of the plugins appear in there. So if you're not sure, just check either of those places, click on it and change the settings that you want. Now the second way that we're going to add a plugin is we're going to go back to our add new, and this is mostly for the free plugins, or if you're looking for a particular type of plugin. So if you know what you're looking for, let's just say we're going to look for the WordFence plugin. I've actually already got that installed. So you would find it here, and you would just, if it was like, for example, the WordFence Assistant, if I wanted that, I would just click install now. It would install, and then it would come up with a button that says activate. It would be a blue button, and then you would click activate, and then that plugin is then live on your site. So it's super easy to add these plugins. If you are looking for something else, some other functionality, so let's just say we were looking for anti-spam. We click on that. And that will bring you up all the different anti-spam plugins that are available. I actually use this one, and as you can see, that's already installed on my site. What this gives you a nice idea about is how many times it's been installed, what the reviews are. So if you are looking for a certain type of functionality on your site, always check out those reviews. Always make sure that, you know, it's good. You can even click through and get more details on something. And it's also a good idea to sometimes look at sort of the reviews that people have written, or, you know, if there is any kind of questions that people have put there on the, you know, on the support area, that kind of thing. So it really is a good way to find new plugins in here. Don't overload your site with plugins. Just stick to those ones that you really need for your functionality, like your security, your backups. Obviously you need to add things that help you to have a better site, but don't overload, as it can slow your site down. So that's it for today. If you would like a free DIY website audit checklist, there'll be a link below this video. just click that and it'll be sent direct to your inbox. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.